I got a lot to say in this video, but where do I begin? Oh gosh, well, let's head to my back deck and we will begin there. This wasn't supposed to be the video today. No, not by any means, guys. No, I had a hike planned up for today's video, and guess what? It didn't happen. There's reasons behind it. And Stormy, every time I come back here, you want to try to pull me. It ain't happening, girl. Well, first of all, I am walking with a limp. There's a reason behind that. For many years, when I used to do my vlogs back here in the back deck, I'd do exactly what I'm doing now. I would kind of walk back and forth. And yes, I am walking with a limp, and let me explain that. Okay, yesterday, my wife come up to me. Actually, it was the day before. She had come up to me, and she says, well, since Saturday, it's going to rain all day long, Michael. You won't be able to go out and get any video footage. We won't be able to do any adventures. She's like, how about you and I go down there and build a room? Well, see, our bedroom's in the basement. We made that into a bedroom. She's like, how about we go down there and build another room down there, a craft room. Something for her craft. And that's not nice. So we basically go down there and we bust our butt, guys. Oh my God. We didn't really build a room. What we had to do was clear out some of the stuff in the basement that's been sitting there for a while and move it to another spot, because next week, and actually 3 weeks, we're going to put it out on the curb, because that's when the citywide cleanup day is, and you can throw big items away. So, oh my God. I busted my butt, and I went upstairs, downstairs, upstairs, downstairs. Well, one of them trips, I had to come up and get the vacuum. Oh, did you see that bug? The bug tried to get mine. So, we've been working on this for about 4 hours, and I don't know why I do this to myself, but guys, better yet, let's go inside and I'll show you what happened. Okay, we're going through my laundry room, which has got a little bit more crowded since the last time you guys seen it, you know, with the pictures. But anyway, let me turn some light on. Yep, it's already on. It's going to be a little dark, and I'm not going to show you my bedroom. That's all for YouTube. But I grabbed the vacuum. I don't know if you can see it, but I fell down all these stairs. Every single one of them. My foot twisted behind me. My back hit the stairs, and I went down every single one of them on my back. And my ankle completely twisted over like that. And guys, I don't know how I came out without a broken bone. I feared the worst. I thought for sure I broke my ankle. Sorry about that. I went to a coughing fit. You guys ever have that happen? You just get done taking a drink and it goes down the wrong way. But anyway, I thought I broke my ankle, and I also thought I broke some bones in the top part of my back. But somehow I came out of it, except with a sprained ankle. So that's why we did not do a hike today. But no. Even though I couldn't have done a hike today, I still made plans to go into Versailles State Park and getting and hobbling around and getting some type of footage. And Eben's going to go for a time lapse. Yes, I've been seriously practicing on my time lapses. We make it all the way out to Versailles State Park, and I go ahead and get the camera out of my camera bag, get everything hooked up, and damn it to hell, I forgot my mod. See, I have a microphone mod that I have on here now that you can hear me. Although I still could have made a video, you know, with the GoPro, because it does have a built-in mic, but guys, I don't like to do my videos like that. I don't like the way it sounds, so. And plus on this mod, you know, if I turn it around like this, let me show you. If I turn it around like this, and I go to videotape this way, sometimes you guys can't hear me then either. But, turn it back. As long as it's facing me, it does pretty damn good. Plus, it keeps out the wind. So, I forgot the mod, and then it came to me. Guys, I'm going to be doing something to my videos. It's a change, but it's a good change for you all. It's a change to me I may not like, Because I like things that, I'm OCD and I like things to happen in a certain way. We're going to sit down for this one because, you ready for this? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I have a new video, right? No more. Cutting them out. Let me tell you what made me think of this. Ooh, I'm probably in the dark on this shot, huh? Let's move it over where the sun is. There we go. There's the sun. You should always face the sun when you're recording. Never the other way like this. I'm sure I made you all dizzy because it'll show you up as dark. But anyway, guys, most of my videos I get is on the weekends. I do one video on a weekday, but most of the videos you all see is on the weekends. And that does aggravate me because some of the videos are every bit of 7 or 8 days old. They're stale. It's like stale bread. And I don't like that. But it's the only time I really get a chance to kind of do videos. But now that warmer weather's here and my schedule is changing and my wife's schedule is changing as well, guys, we're cutting out the Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm just going to tell you, after this video, it's what I'm going to be doing. I'll see you in a couple days. That means the videos will be pretty much fresh, almost farm fresh. And, hey, I don't know, maybe every couple days produce a video. Now, if I was a big-time YouTuber, which, let me cut that out, because I know some big-time YouTubers don't even hold a schedule. I do these videos because I look at them as a video hobby, you know? It's like a video diary. Oh my God, that's why I'm sitting down. Like a video diary of my life. And when we switched over to adventure videos, oh my gosh, that's why one day when I'm too old to do anything out there, at least I'll be able to watch my adventure videos. Guys, I do have AdSense, but I don't make no money on YouTube. No, if I'm lucky, I might make a few bucks every 3 months. And if I ever did make a lot of money, well, hell, I'll try to produce as many videos as I can. I mean, look at my views, folks. But you know, I'm okay with that. I don't want to be big on YouTube. I don't care for that. What I do care for is having a small audience like I do now. And I like to go out there and be your all's eyes and your ears and show you some of the places we go, because not everybody can do that. And, well, I'm not able to do it right now. But that's what it's going to be, guys. I'm going to basically make a video every other day or something, every couple days. Throw it up there. It could be on a Monday. It could be on a Wednesday still. It could be on a Friday. But it also could be on a Tuesday, Thursday, and a Saturday or a Sunday. That's right. So when I get done with this video, now, I do have 3 from the recording of this video right now. I do have 3 going up, okay? I do have 3 going up on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But after they get on through, videos will become farm fresh. They will only be at the most about a day or so old. So I'll make the video, go in, drop it to my computer, edit it up the next day, and probably ship it up for the next day after that. 2 days old. Maybe some days it'd be overnight. I do miss some days. So guys, yeah, I sprained my ankle after I fell down a flight of steps. Switching my days. Things are changing, man. I don't like to do that though. It does bother me, because I like to keep schedules. But as my wife pointed out to me, she's like, hey, some of your favorite YouTubers you watch now, which are big YouTubers, I watch Tucker. He flies around a paramotor. He doesn't have a schedule. I also watch Nomadic Fanatic, which drives and lives in his mobile home. He has no schedule. There's a lot of them out there. I don't think Adam, the Vloggy Life, has a schedule. He used to vlog every day, by the way. But they don't have schedules. You know, life is a lot easier when you're a YouTuber not to have a schedule. That means you produce your content when you can. And actually, that could be more videos than 3 a week for me. Or it could be maybe even 2. Whenever I can, I just video. Because right now, it is a Sunday. Right now, this video is on a Sunday. Just so you all know. And tomorrow, I won't be able to get that much of a walk. And I'm still going to try to walk with a sprained ankle, you damn straight. I just won't be able to get my miles in. But tomorrow's my clean day. We're also hoping maybe, just maybe, Don't count on it. Just maybe we might be able to fish tomorrow. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. That's going to be fun. So I'm going to go to a place I don't have to walk that far. See, I could walk on it, but I'm walking with a limp. Yeah, I do. And that's why I didn't hike today. The hike would have been too much because it would have been up and down hills, over rocks. But anyway, guys, the bottom line is I damn near killed myself on a flight of steps. And I'm tired of my videos not being so far and fresh. And I don't want to do the schedule anymore. So, guys, I will see you in a couple days. That's how it's going to be. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. That ain't ever going to change. I'm always going to say that. We will see you. I hope it's an adventure. I really do. My apologies, y'all. I'm only human. And sometimes this idiot, and I'm speaking to me, sometimes gets hurt. So hopefully we'll see you on the next adventure. If not, we'll see you in a couple days. Come on, let's get out of here.